I got a diesel heater off of Amazon. 126 bucks shipped from China with remote control. Got it plugged into a battery. Got some diesel in it. Got a thermometer on it. Got it water plumbed up. Hit the button. We'll see what happens. Hit the button a couple times just to make sure that it kicks on. What's supposed to happen is, like, a glow plug heats up, and then a fan turns on, and then it starts to burn the diesel and start to exhaust, and then output hot, dry air. There's a control panel on here. It's not very bright, and I don't even know if it's on or not. I can't really see it. I can't see it on. But I'm gonna see if this turns on. As you can see, the temperature is 87.6. This is at the output, not the exhaust. This is where the hot air comes out. So it's dropping in temperature. This is just outside. I tried to do this earlier. I hear the fuel pump kicking on. I smell the diesel. This is the exhaust. That's the air intake, the black one with the filter. You need to prop it up because in the case they ship it with, there's not enough clearance between the bottom of the chassis box and the ground to install the two exhaust and air intake pipes. But I'm going to take this apart and hoping to use this in my Go Fast camper. Oh, the output temperature is increasing. The fuel pump rate is increasing. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. You can hear the exhaust increasing, kind of like a jet airplane. Fuel pump's kicking up, and this was all turned on by the remote control. And as soon as I can turn it off, increase the temperature and decrease the temperature from the remote, it slides up. This is $126 shipped on Amazon.com. Chinese diesel heater. I don't know what brand, or I don't know any of that really. I mean, I can send a link if you comment, but it says they're not selling a heater. And this actually detaches. Let's see. Somehow this comes off. There's some clip. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see? This comes off, so you can detach the control panel and mount it remotely. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the exhaust. And it's getting warm. I don't have a muffler on it, straight piping it. You know, hillbilly style. That's the way I roll. The output temperature is now 240. Oh yeah, it's nice and warm. Boy, there's some velocity. This exhaust. Oh, that's a lot hotter. when this fires up, I will quickly put that thermometer on the exhaust, give you an idea how hot that is, because that I'm going to plumb it through some composite of a Toyota Tacoma pickup, and you know how hot it is, so figure out how much fire coffee and insulation and retardant I need to plumb that through the wall. Off the truck bed. And I'll be sleeping in it, so I'm gonna be safe. Now it's up to 3, 4, 5, 6. It's still ramping up. Wow, this is controlling it right up for me. I don't know how to make it do it. I don't know even if it will. I don't want to push anything. Anyway, oh yeah, I could kind of see something there. I don't know what I can see exactly, but that's what you see on the panel. It tells you all about what the fan's doing and the glow plug and all that. Now it's up to, well, it's becoming a long video. It's up to 6 minutes. Got 311, 315 out of here. Take it away a little bit, and it's out in the air. 280, 290. A few inches away from the exhaust. That's the exhaust temperature. That's right in the pipe. That's on the pipe. This is hot. The exhaust heat, not too hard. Boy, it's nice and dry. God, there's a lot of wind. What's hot? What hot? Nice. Well, that works good. Oh, it's got the temperature. It's outside. It's not cycling down. And since it's outside, it will never cycle down. So it's gonna ramp back up. But boy, let's turn it off with the remote. Or maybe up one. Should turn back on, and there it goes. That's gonna go increase in temperature. That's amazing. 126 bucks. I got powered off that battery back there. It's a 12 volt battery.